up all my fortitude to climb up this hill.
AWI has managed to connect various kinds of women. It's a diverse community. If you look at it, currently we have age groups ranging from 20-25 to 45. And 80% of our membership is there only. So what we are trying to do is we remove age as a factor. So a woman who is 20 years old should be able to connect with a woman who is 50 years old also. And that connection that will be formed, what is the basis of that? The basis is the adventure, the spirit that all of us share and how it's being built. So ये बहुत अहम हो जाता है कि आपकी जो कम्युनिटी है वो डाइवर्स होती जाए और डाइवर्स होती जाए, लेकिन उतनी ही कोहेसिव होती जाए, उतनी ही जुड़ती जाए, जितनी फैले उतनी ही जुड़े. और हम यही मान के चल रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे हमारी मेंबरशिप बढ़ती है, हम जितने बड़े होते जाते हैं, हमारी मेंबरशिप बढ़ने के बावजूद हमारी कम्युनिटी उतनी ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होती जाए.
So let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's
We are hoping that sustainability becomes one of the core values of our community. The women in our community, they understand the value of earth, and nobody better to save Mother Earth than the mothers themselves.
So the core value that we've been talking about of the AWI, in which we want to add sustainability and environment also. One is fitness and appreciation for nature and heritage. So all that comes together when we come here to the Kareri Caves in Borivali, which is inside the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So we've got a group of ladies. We've woken up early in the morning, all of us are here, and we're going to go and see and learn something new.
हम लोग पूरा ये travel करके checked it all out. All the members also saw it. I think the experience of coming outdoors and experiencing all that, it strengthens our values even more.
Adventure Women India!
So AWI is all about explore what more you can be. So irrespective of whatever age you are, whatever background you are coming from, wherever you are working, you can be a lot more. So you can enhance your skills, you can get inspired to do new things, experience new things that you have never ever done before. Even if you have not thought of doing it before, coming on to AWI will inspire you to take up new challenges in your life. So if you're thinking that you are done and there is nothing much left, then you have to come to AWI to see that there's just so much that you can explore.